Yo guys, today we dive into something wild. Top 5 Spark Driver secret moment from the 2025-2026 in full HD. If you are never seen this sport before, imagine soccer, volleyball and material are arts of into one, but with insane flip and click over the net. If you seen highlight of Spock talk here and there, but this is the next level. So let's see to step really life up to the hub and my jab. Stay the flow or not. Let's go. So five. Oh wow. Oh, that is amazing. What a shot with the lag. Fine. Oh wow. This video has not more music, it's very little music. Background. Oh, what a clip, guys. Wow. What a stop with the lag. He played me, I think, with the lag. More than lag. Wow. Oh my god. What a shot. Oh. Wow. Wow. Here I think they not use hand. Only lag. You can see now what a shot, what a hard work before that. Oh, this is a great. This sport needs a mind. Wow. Nice. Oh wow, we are at a score now. I am a song 4. This is a 4, 5, 4. Oh wow. That is amazing. Wow. Oh god. Nice. I see first time this match. I can note about knowledge more. But I can see and I can hopefully first time see I can know knowledge. So sorry for bad reaction and I may take a good reaction. I hope because I not only face with because I react he play with only lag, not use hair. And why I cannot now anyone here who love this match, this sport, this man in below in man I can read and I can knowledge from. Oh wow. That is a more amazing guys. Oh. Nice. Very good guys. Oh wow. Lag with the help of lag playing and it was a very amazing. And the normal human are Chris Rondo and his bicycle kick. Wow. These guys are not in the different languages. Okay guys, languages. The to join the Alpo games, if joined of 50 nature but current only 30 countries players, so please spread this game in our country. That is right. Yes. I am from Malaysia but my favorite Toronto player in Boston from Thailand. Oh, he is so unique that he can delay the timing of his cracking and his jump really high too. Oh my god, during the time. Wow, that is amazing. I think this player is from Malaysia, and Malaysia commands is more than that is a Malaysian guy, super TDR from this service, and his shop, and his the only one who managing to block the most of the ball from the other team. Okay, we are should share this game so that player become a very amazing the game. The game is most underrated sport. I do not even like sport, but he looked damn interesting and hard. That is right. I am really this one. You know, the more amazing than their streaks day away from the block, then receive and keep the ball alive, and she was alive together. Was to the slow and we become everything happened so fast real time. This is a not just sport, this is a art. Yes, this is a art. Second is this is a coolest. This is the coolest event. Yes. This I thought score was just a movie. This is a not real. Yes, no. Where is my difficult level in Asia? This sport need a mind. Okay, this sport mean a fascinations. A combination of rondo, football, sport, gym, volleyball, and high jump. Yes, already. So you know have a mixed level not to play the game. I guess this is a way to entertainment than some sport where we get period more. The sport need to promote. I proud soccer talk players. Okay, getting from Malaysia from impossible improvisations. Seriously, this sport is hard of you maybe simply football and over from but ball easily, but this is a ball you need take practical or for months for even years for jumping. Okay. How is this is not more popular if your bad accents. Okay guys, this is a video. It is a very amazing and very good sport. He playing with leg. I am very happy and I am very I have not words from this because not use hand, only foot, use foot, only foot and leg. This is a very impossible work, and this is a work very hard. Then he was his level up. This is a secret guys, very happy and very sad moment because many countries love this ball, this game. I cannot now. Then I can react, but I cannot now. I can even some command I did back, and you can know I can know something. It was very country mixed playing, but some commands please team over country team one by one playing in her countries, not combined countries playing. I cannot nothing because by is playing. I can see and I can know and I can first see. I cannot really watch before the video. I can first see in the video and in the camera, and I react. I honestly I am very shocked because I can use many game use hand leg body, but this is a game not use hand, only use leg, and it is very impossible and it is very hard and it is a very intelligent word. Yes guys, you can know now it is a right. Okay guys, this is our top 5 stock playing. Okay, this video is and I hope you are this is a simple reaction, not huge entertainment, not huge. Sorry for that all. Please subscribe and like for more videos. I am challenging with my life with myself. I complete 1K subscriber in 2 months. Please like and subscribe for more video and share in your group, in your girlfriend, in your friend, in your wife, in your girlfriend, in your dad, in your mother, in your grandmother, in your grandson, grandmother. Everyone share in your groups, in Instagram groups, in Facebook group, in WhatsApp group. Share my videos and like and subscribe more. Goodbye.